Hi guys, Simon here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Instagram music story no result found. It's pretty easy, so let's start. Let's just say I want to take a random photo and add music to it. Then you see For You. It comes up with this music because it's based on your location. Not every song is available in your country or your region. So if somebody's in a different country, they might have different music that's available to them. And if nothing's showing up here, then I have a few steps you can try. Or if you want to search a song and it's not available, it comes up with some music but not the specific music you want. So let's start with step 1. Step 1 is we go to our profile icon, we go to these 3 stripes, we go to settings and privacy, we go to for professionals, account type and tools, we tap on it, and if it says switch to personal account and you have a professional account, then you might switch to a personal account, because in some professional accounts it doesn't show the music that you want, or sometimes even no music. So then you click on switch to a personal account if you have a professional account. Not like this, not switch to a professional account. But another thing you can do is when you take your picture and you can't find the music you want but you have a personal account, you can switch to your cellular data and turn off your Wi-Fi. Sometimes it works to find a song you want with your data. And the last step is, guys, we go to our settings, then we go to general, we go to iPhone storage, we go to Instagram and offload the app right here and reinstall it. Your data will still be available in the app Instagram and it doesn't wipe any things away. I hope this video was clear, guys. I hope to see you in the next one.